He's trying. Almost. Almost. Almost got it. Come on. You can do it. Roll over. Get up. Okay, he gets stuck on that arm. Come on. Almost, almost. Hey there. Do you get stuck on that arm? Do you get stuck? Yeah, you get stuck. Oh, okay, Fussy. Okay, Fussy. What's your brother doing? What are you doing, Gabe? You're working. Are you fixing that?
Yes.
Oh, okay. All right.